Hello everyone, welcome back to this video guys. Welcome back to my channel, Chanli TV at Epic Homes guys. Dito kami sa office guys, kasama ko si Kuya Tom. Samahan niyo po guys. Bali magre-reserve po yung kanyang palayan. Ayan siya guys, Kuya Tom. So ayan yung ating Epic Homes Bill. So ayan siya guys. Morning sir. Ayan siya guys, townhouse nila. Siya guys. Epic Homes. Ayan si Kuya Tom, naka-red. Yan yung bayan niya, yung naka-jacket po ng brown. Epic Homes Building Lives. So ayan. Thank you Lord for may reservation naman po si Kuya Tom. Ayan siya. Ayan sila. Okay. Namimili po sila ng lot area, sir. Kanya. So, ayan. Habang, guys, office ng Epic Homes guys, tapat lang na Iglesia ni Cristo guys. Dito sa Muñoz na to guys. Muñoz na. Then ito nakasara ata to guys. Sarado EDSA lang guys, yung halos tapat lang na Muñoz. Epic Homes Building Lives. So salamat sa Diyos at makarating po kaming safety dito sa Epic Homes office guys na Quezon City guys. So shoutout sa ating Morning Sun Groups and Southern Homes Realty. So, ayan, balik yung ating ay ma excuse lang ma'am, magkano na yung sa ma'am? Magkano na sa PCP natin? Okay. Thank you ma'am. Kahit tanong magkano ng TCP natin yun sa per unit. Mga ganito, townhouse, tingin townhouse natin. Estimated, tataas pa yan. Okay. Bali, 2BR? 1BR? 2BR po ba yan? Okay, 1.5 po na. Thank you sir. Ayan guys, estimated price guys is, ayan. Wala tayo sa malayo pa yung site guys. Ayan. Nasa 1.5 million guys. Ayan. Provision in, ayan siya guys, in scale model na lang. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Nakikita nyo 2BR siya. Din ayan, nasa yung toilet niya guys, then yung nasa baba. Ito na lang ipapakita ko guys. Ayan. So ayan yung ayan guys, yung living area niya guys. So ayan, total contract price is 1.5. So ayan guys. Okay. So message lang guys sa mga interesado. Parting Norte to guys. Pampanga na guys, Pampanga yung location guys. So ayun sila, ayan. Wino-workout na ni Kuya Tom, ayan. Sa sign up na yung ating buyer. Thank you Lord for this blessing, ayan. Ayan guys, ay mga morning sun group, go lang guys. Okay. Ayan si Kuya Tom, napaka sipag nating agent si Kuya Tom, okay? So, thank you so much for watching, and message lang guys sa comment section below, and thank you so much for watching once again at Charlie TV and Epic Homes Lives. Norte to guys, yung location ng project guys, Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless everyone.